Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Transferwise account in UK. Well, it's very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to change your country here. If you're not in UK, so you can change your location. You can set your location wherever you want to create an account and then just click on confirm changes. Once everything is done, you will find open an account here. You can also click on register as well as here. But before that, you need to select that whether you want to create a personal business, right? So for now, I will just create my personal account. Click on open an account. So guys, here you can just use your normal email address, or you can also do it with your Google account, Facebook account, or with your Apple ID too. So here I will use my Google account just to make it more faster here. So here I will just select my Google account, then I can just create my account very easily. Just click on continue if you're using a Google account, right? Now here Wise will again ask you that whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. So here you can see what's difference it is. Personal account is used to send, spend and receive around the world, and business account is of course made to just make a business or freelance work internationally. So click on personal. You will have to select your country, that is my United Kingdom here, and here you have to use your phone number. Because this is very important, this is 2FA, so this is just for security. Now here comes the password. You have to create a password and your account is done. So once your account is made, you have to add your bank account details just to make the transfer more easy and as fast as possible, right? And that is very easy to just set up your Wise account. It's more faster, easier. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.